out here to fly my Cessna. I've had this model for a couple of months now, and had to take the landing gear off. First time I landed it, I broke the nose wheel off. Tried to fix it, but it didn't hold up very well. So we're going to hand launch it. Here's a picture of it. And here we go. Ready. Now I'm not going to do many fancy maneuvers with this because I've seen pictures of these, the main wing pulling off of these. I have reinforced it with some plywood there, but I'm still afraid that it's going to fold up. If it wasn't such a hurry to put it together, I'd have reinforced the main carbon fiber rod that goes through the main wing. But here we go. Have a little bit of light wind out of the west, and we're not going to do anything too aggressive with it. It flies pretty nice. Really happy with the handling characteristics of it. Here we go for a full throttle pass. And we'll go straight up. And we'll back off the throttle a little bit. It does tend to want to climb real bad when you're going full throttle. About half throttle, it tends to run really nice and level. We have a light west wind, and I'm headed west right now. Can't get it to do a roll. It wants to flip on me. Maybe it's probably me. Do a nice easy pass. I'm going with the wind. I'm with the wind right now. Getting up there pretty good. Must be a little breezier up there than it is down here because it wants to roll on me. I'm not trying to do that twist in the air, it's just doing it. I don't know why. It's supposed to be just a loop. Can't get it to loop. Yeah, it must be windy. It's almost flying backwards there. It's probably what's spinning it over when I go in for the loop. And we'll bring it down for a couple of close flybys. I did put some simulated LED lights on, or navigation lights on it, but you can't hardly see them unless you get just right. Got a little bit of something without it spinning on me. And I think that's enough of a video. It get pretty boring. We'll bring it in. Well, that was kind of rough, but that's it.